Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated camera releases that's been generating serious buzz in the photography and videography communities, the Canon R6 Mark III. This upcoming camera seems to bring meaningful improvements, carefully balancing performance upgrades with practical features designed for modern creators. Let's walk through everything that's been rumored so far and discuss why this camera could be a strong contender for action photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and content creators who need reliable tools in the field. Rumored sensor, 24 megapixels, but that's a smart choice. Let's start with the sensor. According to several trusted leaks, the Canon R6 Mark III is expected to feature a 24 megapixel sensor. Now, some may have been hoping for a megapixel jump, but it's important to recognize that the 4MP hits a perfect sweet spot for most photographers. For those who don't need to crop aggressively or print at billboard sizes, this resolution delivers excellent detail, manageable file sizes, and superb low-light performance. The real win here is that this sensor is rumored to be similar to the one in Canon's high-end flagship models, which makes this camera a very attractive option for professionals without the flagship price tag. Whether you're capturing street photography, weddings, portraits, or everyday moments, 24 megapixels are more than enough to produce stunning images with great dynamic range and detail. PreCapture Mode, a game-changer for fast action. One of the most exciting features reportedly coming to the Canon R6 Mark III is PreCapture Mode. This feature is perfect for action photographers who regularly shoot wildlife, sports, or any fast-paced scenarios where timing is everything. PreCapture allows the camera to start recording frames even before the shutter is fully pressed. This essentially gives you a second chance to capture the moment you may have otherwise missed. PreCapture technology has been making its way into high-performance cameras, and its rumored inclusion in the R6 Mark III could make it highly competitive for those who need quick, reliable shots in unpredictable environments. AI-powered autofocus, smarter, faster, more reliable. Another standout upgrade is the advanced autofocus system, rumored to be powered by Canon's latest AI-driven algorithms. With the help of the DigicX processor and updated processing hardware, the autofocus in the Canon R6 Mark III is expected to bring next-level performance. Reports suggest we can expect improved subject detection, better eye and animal tracking, and faster focus acquisition in complex scenes. This would make the camera extremely capable in dynamic situations like sports, wildlife, or even capturing kids and pets in everyday life. AI-powered autofocus is rapidly becoming a standard in modern cameras, but Canon's system is particularly well known for its accuracy and reliability. This feature alone could be a strong reason for photographers to consider upgrading. Up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization. It comes to stability and handheld performance. The Canon R6 Mark III looks like it's going to deliver something truly impressive. Rumors point to the in-body image stabilization system being refined to offer up to 8.5 stops of compensation for those who love shooting handheld. This is a huge deal. You can take sharp, low-light photos without a tripod and capture smooth handheld video footage, even when moving. Whether you're walking through city streets at night or exploring landscapes at dawn, this level of stabilization provides real-world flexibility. Lightning fast burst shooting, 30 FPS raw speed is key for many photographers, and the Canon R6 Mark III appears ready to deliver. According to the leaks, it's expected to support burst shooting at up to 30 frames per second in RAW, using the electronic shutter. That's incredibly fast, giving you the ability to capture split-second movements in sports, wildlife, or action photography. However, it's important to remember that burst speed also depends on the camera's buffer and memory card performance. If Canon compare this fast frame rate with a generous buffer, the R6 Mark III could become a go-to camera for photographers who need to capture rapid sequences without interruption. Impressive video specs for 120 FPS and 6K RAW. Canon R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a very capable camera for hybrid creators who shoot both photos and videos. The rumored video specs include 4K video at 120 frames per second in both UD and DCI formats, 6K video recording at 30 frames per second in cinema raw light using a Super 35 crop. These specs suggest that Canon is aiming to give videographers access to smooth slow-motion footage and high-resolution video for professional-grade content for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. This makes the R6 Mark III an exciting option, especially when combined with the advanced image stabilization system, which should make handheld shooting easier and more stable. Competitive pricing, smart strategy of The most intriguing aspects of this camera is the expected price point. Reports suggest that the Canon R6 Mark III might launch at around $1,499, the same price that the previous model was introduced at. In today's market, where prices are climbing for cameras, lenses, and accessories. This pricing strategy could help Canon stay extremely competitive, especially against other brands that have raised prices significantly. It positions the Canon R6 Mark III as a high-value option with modern features, advanced autofocus, and fast burst rates at a reasonable price, making it a great option for both professionals and serious enthusiasts who should consider upgrading. If you're already using the Canon R6 Mark II and mostly focus on portraits, travel, or general photography, this upgrade might not be essential for you. But if you regularly shoot sports, wildlife, or fast action, want pre-capture features to ensure you never miss a critical moment, need the latest AI-powered autofocus require high-speed burst shooting and slow-motion video capabilities, then the Canon R6 Mark III could be an excellent step forward for your creative work. It seems that this camera is focused on refining tools for demanding photographers and hybrid creators who need reliable, fast, and intelligent gear rather than offering a total reinvention for casual users. Final thoughts: a smart evolution based on everything we've seen so far. The Canon R6 Mark III seems to be a well-balanced, carefully upgraded camera. It's not trying to revolutionize the market, it's designed to be a solid, reliable, and intelligent upgrade for photographers who need speed, precision, and flexibility. With the combination of fast burst rates, smart autofocus, impressive stabilization, and powerful video options, this camera could become a strong favorite for creators in 2025. If you're considering adding a new camera to your kit this year and want something that offers a powerful mix of performance, practicality, and affordability, the Canon R6 Mark III may just be the perfect choice. Stay tuned here on Technology in the Future for more updates, full reviews, and in-depth comparisons as soon as more official details emerge.